You posed the sort of inning question because I think we're a lot closer to the seventh inning stretch than I think the median investor realizes for a couple of reasons. One, we think the markets will eventually have to transition to price in peak or transition from pricing in peaking inflation to ultimately sticky inflation. We don't think this is the ninth inning. We don't think the game is over. We think the 42 macro paradigm C bull market has legs into and perhaps even through 2027. Looking at that, 1998 example, we saw that the S&P 500 rallied about 20% in the first half of 1998. We were obviously in the full throttle tech bubble back then. But then ultimately, as we saw some of the issues develop with Russia, the default, and long-term capital management, we ultimately saw the market pull back about 20%.
Okay, so help us wrap our heads around that. We're up about 10% year to date in the S&P 500, only about 1% off all-time highs. So you're expecting a correction before year end, but then ultimately